All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the headlights and the headlights operations in this 2017 model of a Subaru Impreza. But before we get started, can you give me a like right there? Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. All right, now I'm sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I'm going to look to the left-hand side. And do you see this lever right here? The sun's kind of shining in on it. Maybe I can tap that or do something like that and get it. All right, this right here, this lever right here, okay? Let's see, get in focus. All right, this lever right here. This right here is where you turn on the headlights. Currently, it is off. As you can see that down there, it is off, okay? But you can turn it onto auto to where the lights turn on automatically. You see that when it gets dark enough outside, okay? You have that. And then one more up, these are the parking lights right here. These are the parking lights right here. Selection. But if you want to turn your headlights on and not in the auto position, that's from right there, you click it right there and the headlights are in the on position. The headlights are on. Now, to turn on your bright headlights, you see this bright high beam thing right here. It's pointing to the direction of point forward, which means like if you push this, the bright headlights will turn on. So I'm going to push this and the bright headlights turn on. And as you can see on the dashboard, instrument panel, that blue light right here, it lights up. I'm gonna try to get closer so you can see it. So I'm gonna take that same button and I'm gonna pull back and it goes off. I'll push it forward and it comes back on. Now, there's also called something like blinking your blinkers or blinking your high beam lights or your bright lights. And you do that by, I'm gonna turn it off, pulling it towards you. And you see how I'm pulling it like this? Slightly, and the headlights are blinking on. You can't see it outside because it's so bright, maybe a little bit, but that's how you blink your bright headlights. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this is useful to you.